All right, so we've got our well house that we're putting up here. We just went ahead and decided we would do a combination well house little storage building, and it ended up turning into more of a monster than we thought, but we ended up using all this sea purlin because that's what we had. We had some 2 7/8 inch pipe, and this is where we are. Now we're putting the sheet metal on. Well, the problem was we don't have a metal bender, and we need to bend a piece of metal all the way. That's about 12 feet, and we bought flat metal that was 13 feet long. So we had to fabricate our own metal bender here. And what we did, we just put a long, probably 12-foot long board on hinges, and we just screwed our hinge to our trailer. It's right here on the edge. You can see that. There's the hinge, just hinging, flat part here. And we took a long piece of angle iron. Fortunately, we have all this stuff on hand. I kind of had to weld it in the middle a little bit. And we clamped it down here. And we clamped it down on the other end. And then we put our metal right on the line where we needed to, right in the crack. And then we just lifted this dude and folded it over, and it makes a very nice bend. What happens if you don't have the big long board to bend it on is you start to bend and it crinkles. This is pretty thin. I think this is either 29 or 26 gauge metal, but it starts to crinkle everywhere, and you end up with a piece of metal with crinkles all over, like smashed like a pop can. So fortunately, we had a trailer long enough and junky enough. We didn't mind putting a few hinges on, screw holes in, and a big long board long enough. We have clamps. We were able to fabricate this out of angle iron. And one more time, there that is. So if that helps you guys, like and subscribe.